You're building a gaming PC in 2026, and you've narrowed it down to two options. You could build a powerful AM4 system around the Ryzen 7 5800X3D, or spend your money on an entry-level AM5 system with the Ryzen 5 7600. So, which one actually gives you the better gaming experience? And more importantly, which one gives you better value for your money? On the AM4 side, the Ryzen 7 5800X3D is still a serious gaming CPU. You get 8 cores, 16 threads, and a massive 96 megabytes of L3 cache. The Ryzen 5 7600 has 6 cores and 12 threads, but it's built on the newer AM5 platform. So the interesting part is this. The older 5800X3D can still be the stronger gaming chip today, while the 7600 gives you a newer foundation to upgrade later. Then there's the memory. AM4 uses affordable DDR4, and for a 5800X3D build, a good 16 or 32 gigabyte kit around DDR4 3200CL16 is still perfectly capable. AM5 uses DDR5, and for a gaming build, DDR5 6600 with relatively tight timings is often the sweet spot. But DDR5 can cost more, especially when you're building on a tight budget. Now let's talk graphics cards. The 5800X3D is powerful enough to pair with a strong mid-range or even upper mid-range GPU, especially at 1440p. The Ryzen 5 7600 can also handle cards like the RX 7700XT, RX 7800XT, or RTX 4070. Super very well. At 1080p and very high frame rates, the CPU difference becomes more important. But at 1440p, the GPU usually becomes the bigger factor. So, if you choose the AM4 5800X3D, are you sacrificing gaming performance? Not necessarily. In fact, depending on the game and GPU, the 5800X3D can still deliver an excellent high FPS gaming experience. The Ryzen 5 7600 is also a very capable gaming CPU, but its biggest advantage isn't necessarily that it destroys the 5800X3D in gaming. It's that you're starting on a newer platform with more room to upgrade. And this is where the decision gets complicated. The 5800X3D is a powerful CPU, but if you're buying it at a premium price and then paying for a new AM4 motherboard and DDR4 memory, the value proposition starts to weaken. The Ryzen 5 7600 might not give you the same level of CPU performance in every gaming scenario today, but you're investing in a platform with a longer upgrade path. So here's my verdict. If you already own an AM4 motherboard, upgrading to a 5800X3D can still be an excellent way to get powerful gaming performance without rebuilding your entire PC. But if you're building from scratch, I'd seriously consider AM5. You might spend more on DDR5 and the motherboard today, but you're buying a platform with a much longer upgrade path. In the end, don't ask which CPU is faster. Ask which entire platform gives you the best performance for the money you have.